Hello, and welcome to the first episode of the video series that we're putting together here for SEO for Carrot. Okay, my name is Matt Walsh. I am a real estate agent in Virginia. I am also a real estate buyer. I wholesale, flip, do whatever it is in the real estate industry. I love it, and I love working on Carrot websites. Okay, again, we are not endorsed or owned or associated with Carrot. I just like the Carrot platform. I like building my websites on them. And now I'm looking to help you do the same. All right, let's say you do not have a Carrot website. Click below, click that link. It takes you directly to Carrot where you can pick a plan and get started. Okay, let's say that you do have a Carrot site. You've created your Carrot site and now you don't really know what to do with it. When you click on your account, it will bring you to a page that looks somewhat like this. Okay, all of these pages are built for you. Okay, this is one of the things that makes Carrot a great tool for real estate investors, is that you click the button and everything is built for you, and it's enough to get you started and start generating leads. Okay, but there are thousands and thousands of Carrot users now around the country. And that means that these pages for you are the same as thousands of other people. All right, and Carrot recommends that you change anywhere from 25 to 50% of the content on each page in order to make it better for search engines, particularly Google, so that when someone types in a phrase such as "we buy houses in your city" and there are 4 or 5 pages that look the same, well, yours will look different and Google will understand that yours is different. So how do we do it? Again, if you want, we have services and this is what we do for you. But if not, I'm going to teach you how to do it yourself. The most important pages to work on first, okay, are your home page, right? This is your main page, and it probably should be your state page. Typically, you're going to have a page that focuses on the state that you want to invest in, and then we will build out pages for cities and localities. Okay, the next most important page, and most important because it's the page that people look at the most, is the About Us or Our Company page. Okay, the second most visited part of your website is the About Us page or the company page, because people want to see who you are. They want to see if you are reputable. Okay, so those are the 2 pages we've got to work on first, and then start working your way down and changing the pages and making them personal. So let's start with our home page. You can go over here and click Edit, Quick Edit, View, Duplicate. We'll use all of those later. For right now, we're going to go into Edit. So you're going to click the Edit button. And it brings you to your page, right? So this is called the Hero section. This picture is something that you want to edit. You want to change that picture up, okay? And we can change some of the wording here, and we're going to change some of the wording down here. So for starters, you want a picture that looks like your area. Okay, if we are selling homes in Virginia, for example, like I am, we're trying to buy homes in Virginia, we do not want a picture of a Miami house. We do not want a picture of a house in New Hampshire. Okay, you want a picture that represents the area you are buying in. So go take some pictures of your neighborhood. Okay, now let's take a look here. Page is a little bit big here. On the right hand side, you're going to see a gear, okay, a gear icon. I just shrunk it in so it'll fit in the screen a little better. Okay, click on that gear icon if this bar is not open. Okay, so now we go down over here. The other thing I want to point out before we do anything further, okay, is down here on the bottom left where my mouse is. This is going to tell you where you are working in this visual editor, and that is key, and we'll go through that in a minute. So I clicked on here and it tells me I'm in the Hero. So we'll go down to the bottom, and this is your background image. Simply click Replace Image, and these are pictures that I have already. That's me and my lovely wife. We put our pictures on the website in a number of places. Okay, upload a picture and then come over here. It's very important that your picture have a name, okay? Your picture has a name. This is a test site. I really haven't done much to it, but see, if you uploaded a picture that you took right from your camera, what's the name of the picture? img_1449.jpg. What does Google think that picture is? Nothing. You've got to name the picture before you upload it, and name it something like, we buy houses in Portland. We buy houses in Sheboygan, right? Okay, so that now Google will understand that that picture is related to what you are doing on your website, i.e. buying houses, okay? Put your alternative text in there, okay? Same type of thing. For that picture, it's like, meet Matt and Val, okay? Title. This is the title that it's going to show on the internet. We buy houses in Virginia. Put a little caption there. Little description. These are all things that help the internet, Google, understand what your picture is about and help your overall SEO, search engine optimization picture, okay? So the key here is upload a file and make sure you name the file before you upload it, or you will end up with a file name like this. And this over here, img1449, is not good for search engine optimization. You want it to be named something better. Okay, so like I said, that changes your hero image up here, okay, your background image. Now over here, the easiest way to sell your market, chances are your website has the same language in it, okay? These are, in the brackets here, Market City, these are shortcuts, short codes, okay? So that whatever you put in your settings when you started your Carrot website will show up here. I'll show you what I'm talking about right now. So we're going to hit preview. So here it says the easiest way to sell your Market City house fast. We're going to go to preview. And the easiest way to sell your Virginia Beach, because I have Virginia Beach as my Market City. You can override that at any time. It's very easy. But what I want to tell you is that those short codes are there. Okay, so what we can do here is say this in a different way. The easiest way to sell your house fast. So we're going to click on this, and you come down here and you see that you have your document and your heading. Okay, this is your H2 heading. Okay, which is, the headings are important for search engine optimization because that tells Google and the other search engines the important aspects of your page. Okay, so the easiest way to sell your Market City house fast. Okay, let's take a look here. Let's see if we can just change this up a little bit. The easiest way to sell your house quickly. Okay, you and I know fast and quickly are the same, but it's a different word for search engines. At company, whatever this is, again, these are short codes, right? Your company is whatever is in your back end of your Carrot website. But you can go over here at your company and just type it in. We believe the house selling process should be easier, faster, and more painless. Okay, so rewrite that a little bit. We believe that, let's take a look at our company. We believe, let's see, that selling your home should be easy and fast, right? Do you understand what I'm doing here? We're not changing everything, but we are personalizing the content a little bit, and we're changing up the wording so that the wording isn't exactly the same as somebody else who has a Carrot site in your market area. That's what we're doing. Okay, we come down here. Let's say like these are blocks. Now take a look over here on the bottom left. That's a column. It's a column within columns. Click on this, and now we can fix this whole area, right? This is important to see. You have to make sure you know what you're working on. Okay, if we type into here, we're typing in the paragraph that's within the column that's within the columns. Okay, if you grasp that, then you can work on these sites without a problem at all. So let's click here. We're in this group. A group has a bunch of columns in it. Okay, let's say we don't like this background color. I don't like that. I want to have something else. So let's change the background color to green. Boom! I like green better. Green is different than somebody else's website, and I'm going to stick with green. Okay, and we click up here. Now I want to make sure that I'm working on this heading. This heading on the left, down bottom left, is part of the group, right? So do you see what we're doing? Make sure you're working on the right spot. What are the benefits of selling your Market City house directly to company? Let's change that up a little bit. We can say explore the benefits of selling your Market City. You know what? Home. Maybe we don't have to go directly to company. We just changed it up a little bit. Do that through your whole page, okay? Do that through your whole page. And that's all you got to do to change up your page and make it personalized. We're going to go on later in another video about setting your meta title and your meta description and using the audit tool to see how your keywords are playing in the rest of the website. Big thing here, change all of your pictures. This picture is in about 55,000 websites around the country. Change the picture. Go online, find some pictures, take some pictures, put a picture of yourself. Okay, don't leave the stock pictures in there. Maybe change your colors again. Right, the color above was green, so we're going to try this as green again. I think that's the green we used to make sure it's the same. Yeah, it looks kind of the same, right? Is it? Yeah, I think it was the same, right? Okay, this is what I'm talking about. You can do this if you want. We can do it for you, but this is what you should do at a minimum to make your Carrot site unique to you. If you have any questions at all, comments, concerns, put them down below, and I'll point you in the right direction. All right, have a great day.